Hello, welcome back to Get By in French, lesson 10. I know, it's been quite quick going through these lessons. Take as long as you want going back over the videos, looking at the PDFs of the dialogues, all the vocabulary is in there for you to practice. But these videos enable you to practice the pronunciation, which you can't see on a piece of paper. So today we're looking at essential travel phrases. So you've got to France. You know how to order a coffee and a sandwich and a few other things, and now you need to find your way around, so you need to stop and ask somebody. So be brave, have a go, and this is what you say to them. So we will start with Excusez-moi, excusez-moi, excuse me. Where is? Où est la gare? Où est la gare, s'il vous plaît? Where is la gare? Is the station. Where is the station? Où est la gare? Or, où est l'hôtel? L'hôtel looks the same as English. We don't pronounce the H. L'hôtel, s'il vous plaît. SVP is short for s'il vous plaît. Excusez-moi, où est la gare, s'il vous plaît? And the answer could be là-bas, over there, là-bas. There are other directions they will give you, but we can look at those in future lessons. So just for now, là-bas, over there. If it's more than one item, la gare, the station, l'hôtel, it's the toilets, plural. It's où sont, where are, où sont les toilettes? You might see WC, WC is WC, but this looks like the English a little bit. Les toilettes, WC, looks like English too. Où sont, where are, où sont les toilettes, s'il vous plaît? Now, if they give you a very long-winded answer and you haven't got a clue what they're talking about, you would say, sorry, I'm trying to show you the board and look at you. Je ne comprends pas. I do not comprehend. I do not understand. Comprendre, to understand, looks like to comprehend. Je ne comprends pas. And then a little bit cheating. Do you speak English? Parlez-vous anglais? Parlez-vous anglais? They might speak a bit of English. If you have a problem and you need some help, it's au secours. You've fallen down, you don't feel well, something's happened. Au secours is help. Come and help me, please. Okay, so some key phrases. Excusez-moi. Où est, where is. Où sont, where are. Je ne comprends pas. Parlez-vous anglais. And then au secours. I hope you don't need this one, but it's useful to know. And then just to recap, I've got some of the verbs, some of the doing words which we've learnt so far. So right back to the beginning, je m'appelle. So for me, je m'appelle Sue, or je suis, I am. Je suis Sue, je suis Suzanne. Je viens de, I can say I am from, or I come from England. Je suis d'Angleterre, or je viens d'Angleterre. Je suis anglaise. J'ai, I use that to say j'ai une sœur, I have a sister. J'ai une sœur. This one, avez-vous? Avez-vous une sœur? Avez-vous un frère? Avez-vous la famille? And then this one for ordering drinks or snacks in a cafe or a meal in a restaurant. Je voudrais. So je m'appelle, I'm called. Je suis, I am. Je viens de, I am from, I come from. Viens is from venir, to come. J'ai, I have. Avez-vous, do you have? And je voudrais, I would like. So, well done, lesson 10. Go over them again, practice the pronunciation, and there will be more under the beginner section to help you progress further. Merci beaucoup, thank you for watching these lessons 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got to number 10, number 10. Au revoir, à la prochaine.